Hey Grissom Band and Choir students, it's Mrs. Hafner. I've got a quick tutorial on how to get into smart music. So what you're going to do first is go to smartmusic.com and it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this or something similar. Now, you can only get into smart music if you are using a computer that has Google Chrome as a web browser. If you're using any Apple products, MacBook or a Mac computer, you can still use smart music. You just have to make sure that you're getting in not through Safari, which is the normal Apple web browser, but you'll need to install Google Chrome and get in that way. It'll still work. I have a MacBook and I'm able to get in this way too. So install Google Chrome and get in through Google Chrome. If you're using a cell phone or you're using a tablet, smart music will only work if you're using an iPad. So if you're using an Android tablet or a cell phone to try and get into smart music, it will not work because it is not designed for those devices. So again, computer with Google Chrome or a tablet that is an iPad. Anything else? Not going to work. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click where it says Login, Sign Up. And now you need to make an account with Smart Music. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your school email address. So your student ID number at the little @ wcskids.net. I'm logged in already into Smart Music as in a teacher account with my school email. So I'm going to use a different email address that I have just so I can show you this demo. Okay. So I'll pop in my email address. I'm going to create a password for it. If I were you, I would just use my school district password. Make sure any letters are used with caps just so it's easier for you to remember. And then I'm going to click create an account. Now it's going to ask me some questions. It says, do you already have an account? Log in. No? No, I don't. So you're going to click country, United States of America. Your time should already be set up correctly. Okay. Are you 13 years old? If you are 13 years old, click yes. If you're not 13 years old, click no. If you click no, they're probably going to ask for you to also include your parents' email address just so that way your parents are cool with you using smart music. Okay. Well, I'm at least 13 years old, so I'm going to click that. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my first name. Although for this, I'm just going to call myself Sample Student. So first name Sample, last name Student. But you're going to put your first and last name in. And then you're going to put in your school district email address. I'm putting in this one for right now because it's my demo. And then if you have an additional email address that you want for backup, you can pop that in if you need to. It's gonna ask for your username. For your username, please do your first and last name, okay? And then your password. So pop in your password and then confirm it. Make sure you do it exactly the same way both times. Okay, and then it's going to ask you how you're using smart music. So you're going to have some choices. You're going to select student. And then it's going to ask you what your main instrument is that you play. So like for me, I'm going to select flute. Secondary instrument, if you play any other instruments. Piccolo for me, could be something else for you, like if you play piano or something else. Okay, and then it's got some terms and conditions. Read those, check the box, and then it's going to ask you if you want to get signed up for emails from Smart Music for offers and updates. I'm going to uncheck that for now just because I don't want all that spam in my email right now. If you want to get the notifications from them, that's cool, your choice. Then you click submit. Now it says email activation sent. Let's see if we got the instructions on how to activate our account. So we're going to go over to our email and see if you have a notification from Smart Music. Sometimes this takes a little while, so you may have to wait. Just keep checking your email periodically throughout the day, refresh. until you get an email from Smart Music that says, we're ready for you to activate your account. Once you get that notification, you'll be able to get into Smart Music as you normally would. And then anytime you log into Smart Music, you just pop in your email address or your username and you pop in your password and you can get in anytime you need to. It may ask me to verify your account for you. If that's the case, just let me know. I can go into mine and I will get you in. So that is part 1 of Smart Music, how to create your account.